So good morning, class 7 children. So today we'll go for chapter number 16, water a precious resource. So the aim of the chapter is to study why water is considered as a precious resource. And second thing, we can say that the factors responsible for water depletion. As we know, the water table is lowering down daily, means we are using much of the water and the water table is going down. So what are the reasons, what are the factors for that the water table is lowering down? So all these things we are going to study in this chapter. So as we used to do earlier, before going to the chapter, before going for the reading of the chapter, let's go for the key terms of this chapter. So let's have the key terms, or you may say that the misunderstood words of this chapter. So here we have few misunderstood words. So children, giving you some time, kindly find out these misunderstood words. Okay, like aquifer, depletion, drip irrigation, groundwater, infiltration, recharge, water harvesting, and water table. So these are the few of the terms. Kindly find out these terms quickly. Okay, children. So kindly raise your hand. Who has find the first word, aquifer? Kindly raise hand.
Ma'am, can I tell?
I'm saying to raise hand. Yes, Kavya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so the first word is aquifer. At places, the groundwater is stored between layers of hard rock below the water table. This is known as aquifer.
Okay, this word is aquifer. So can you tell the page number where it is?
Ma'am, it is on page number 197.
197, children. Rest, those who have not find it out, they can also mark the aquifer. Next is depletion. Yes, Tanvi?
Not allowing water to seep into the ground results to depletion.
But simply you can write down the meaning of depletion as decrease. Kindly write down the meaning for it. Depletion is decreased, or you may write down going down. Decrease. Decrease. Okay. Next is Mahi, drip irrigation.
Okay, ma'am. Drip irrigation is a technique of watering plants by making use of narrow tubings. Ma'am, this is on page number 201.
Okay, 201 page number. Children, you can see that what is a drip irrigation system says. What do you mean by a drip irrigation system? Next, Lavish, is a groundwater. Next word is groundwater. What's it?
Yes, ma'am. The rainwater or water from other sources like ponds, which sweeps or percolate under the ground and collects over the impermeable rocks, is called groundwater.
Okay, but okay, fine. It is. Tell the page number.
Ma'am, can I
Lavish.
tell?
Lavish, tell the page number. Tanvi after that. Okay, tell if you want to speak for groundwater.
Ma'am, the water found below the water table is called groundwater.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's on page number 197.
Okay, 197. So you may write down the definition of 197, page number, groundwater. Next.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Infiltration. Yes, Anya Jain. Infiltration.
The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration.
Okay, tell the page number so that everybody can write down.
Ma'am, 199.
199. 199 page number. Find the definition of infiltration. Bhavya Joshi, are you finding the definitions? Okay. Mukul, got the definition? Infiltration, page 199. Next word is recharge.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, infiltration का तो 197 पे है.
You may check,
Ma'am,
beta.
yes,
Here
इसका
is
197 पे है.
197.
Yes,
You may
ma'am.
check. I think you can check yourself
Ma'am,
also.
197 पे.
Okay, Vansh Sharma, can I have the meaning of recharge?
Yes, ma'am.
Recharge. The next word is recharge. Or anybody else?
I couldn't find this.
Okay. Anybody else? Simply you can give the meaning of recharge. You go for the recharge of mobile even. So simply I need the meaning of recharge. What do you mean by it?
The reusing of water is known as a recharge.
No, reusing. No, we can't say reusing. Refilling. We are refilling it. Refilling. When the charge of your mobile overs, what you do? You fill it again. Okay. So we may say that recharge means refilling. Got it, everyone? The simplest word I'm saying recharge is refilling. Next is water harvesting.
Ma'am,
Yes,
may I tell
Nishit.
of what
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Children,
May I tell?
please speak like this. So many times I had told you. Yes, Nishchay. Those who have not given the answer a single time, they will give.
The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as water harvesting.
Okay. Bhavya Joshi, you also want to say something?
Ma'am, my answer was also same.
Speak out. No problem.
The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to be as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting.
Okay. Rainwater harvesting or water harvesting, you may say.
Ma'am, can I also give a water harvesting?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, water harvesting is the strategy by which water is collected and conserved for future uses.
Yes, good. So this is a strategy or this is a way to conserve water for the future use. That is known as a water harvesting. Still, children, rain is not written. We may be reading the word again, rain water harvesting. That is a separate one, means we are using the rainwater or restoring the rainwater for the future use. Okay, this is simple, the water harvesting. So we may write down that this is a way of a strategy, you can say, to reuse or to conserve water for the future use. Okay. The last one is water table. So Sejal, Vedika,
Ma'am, can I tell? Water table.
Ma'am, can I tell please?
Sejal or Vedika will tell among these two. Kindly unmute and
Ma'am, may I tell
Yes,
my
ma'am.
yes, Vedika.
Okay, ma'am. The upper limit of this layer of a layer is called the water table.
Sejal, you did find the answer. Can tell the page number?
Ma'am, 197.
197. So everybody has got the meaning of this water table?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, these are the words. And side by side, if we'll be doing reading the chapter, if we'll get more words, then we'll go for that also. If any of other words you find out, you may tell. I hope each one of you have written the aim. So this is your today's work to start the chapter in the notebook. Okay. With the aim and these key terms.
Yes, ma'am. Chapter 16, Water, a Precious Resource. You are perhaps aware that 22 March is celebrated as the World Water Day. A school celebrated Water Day and invited posters from the children of your age group. Some of the posters presented on the day are shown in figure 16.1. What is the message you get from these posters? Write your observations in your notebook and discuss them in the class. Have you ever felt a shortage of water at home or at school? Your parents, teachers must very often be advising you not to waste water. No wonder we celebrate Water Day every year to attract the attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving water.
Okay.
The amount of
Next,
water
Lavish, continue. Second paragraph.
The amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing, cooking, and maintaining proper hygiene is a minimum of 50 liters per person per day. This amount is about 2.5 buckets of water per person per day. Is your family getting at least this much of water? If yes, you should consider yourself fortunate because millions of millions of people in our country do not get enough water. What about your friends and their families? Share your experience with them.
So
In
children
some
kind, okay,
places,
thank you. Children kindly write down these two terms, underline this. 22nd March is celebrated as a World Water Day. And how much amount of water is given or allotted to each person by the United Nations for drinking? That is a 50 liters of water per person per day. Okay, that is approximately 2.5 buckets. So just check yourself also. Are you using 2.5 buckets for all these work? For drinking, for washing, for cooking, and for maintaining proper hygiene, or more than that you are using. So kindly take care of that. You should use the appropriate amount of water, and the water should not be wasted. Next, Sejal, read the next paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. In some places, there is an acute shortage of water. Taps running dry, long, long,
Long
long queues
queues
for
for water. Queues.
long queues for water. Figure 16.2. Lights and marches and protects for demand of water have become a common sight, especially during summer. Some of the newspaper clippings shown in figure 16.3 clearly indicate the message. Is it not true that we face acute shortage of water?
So children, we have read that there is a shortage of water. Even Mahi continue with activity 16.1. So in many of the newspapers, you must have read that there is a shortage of water, and even long queues for water you have seen. So why it is so? Because there is exactly a shortage of water in our country. So activity 16.1, Mahi can continue. Mahi, I'm not able to hear. Kindly mute yourself, beta. Your voice
Ma'am,
is
can I
not
read?
clear. Kindly mute yourself. Later on, you can read. Later on, you can read. Yes, Tanvi, continue.
Activity 16.1. Collect clippings from newspapers and magazines on the news items, articles, and pictures related to water shortage. Paste them in your scrapbook and share it with your friends. List some problems faced by the people and discuss them in the class. Water shortage has become a matter of concern throughout the world. It is estimated that in a few years from now, more than one third of the people in the world would face water scarcity. Before we discuss why water is getting scarce, we must know how much water is available for use on our planet.
So kindly read this paragraph, the box, blue box.
Year 2003 was observed as the International Year of Fresh Water to make people aware of this dwindling natural resource.
Kindly underline, children. These small questions can be there in the MCQ form. So how much now, before going to study the reason for that why less water is available, we'll go for that how much water is available on the earth. Okay, so rest will be take tomorrow. Till here, and today's work is clear to you. You need to start this chapter and kindly write down the word meaning of this chapter.